Did you know Market Street has been one of Riverside's commercial spines since the city's earliest days? Riverside was laid out in 1870 in a mile-square grid, and Market Street quickly became one of the main places where businesses concentrated. Now, to the road assessment. Market Street is currently in fair condition. Currently, drivers will experience alligator cracking, road repair patches, and bumps throughout the roadway. These surface deficiencies will contribute to an uneven and bumpy ride for most motorists. Also, it is important to know that Market Street has a road shoulder in most areas that will provide additional space along the roadway for vehicles and other road users when it is needed for emergencies or other issues that require an automobile to pull over for safety. However, some sections of Market Street lack an appropriately sized or clearly defined road shoulder, which may limit available roadside space and create less consistent conditions along the street. Additionally, drivers will see parked automobiles along the side of Market Street that may reduce the available roadway width and limit sight distance for approaching drivers. In areas where vehicles are parked close to travel lanes or intersections, drivers may need to slow down, change their path, or exercise additional caution when passing parked vehicles. Parked automobiles can also make it more difficult to see pedestrians, cyclists, or vehicles entering the roadway, potentially creating additional safety concerns for all drivers. As you can see here, the middle turning lane on Market Street provides drivers with a designated area to make left turns without stopping directly in the through traffic lane. This can help improve traffic flow by allowing through-moving vehicles to continue past drivers waiting to turn. The turning lane may also provide drivers with additional space to safely position their vehicles before completing a left turn and reducing potential conflicts and improving overall roadway efficiency. Also, Market Street experiences significant traffic congestion, particularly during weekday peak rush hours in the morning and late afternoon. Increased commuter traffic, frequent stops, turning movements, and limited roadway capacity can lead to slower travel speeds for many drivers and longer delays and periods of stop-and-go traffic. And as you may have guessed, the heavy traffic on Market Street can take a significant toll on the asphalt roads here, especially in the Inland Empire, where intense summer heat and prolonged exposure to the sun can accelerate pavement deterioration. Constant pressure from cars, trucks, and other vehicles can contribute to cracking, rutting, and surface wear, while high temperatures can soften asphalt and make it more vulnerable to deformation. Over time, the combination of heavy traffic and extreme heat can shorten the lifespan of road surfaces and increase the need for maintenance and repairs. Furthermore, the beautiful landscaped road islands you see along Market Street add visual appeal and character to the roadway, creating a more inviting streetscape for drivers and pedestrians alike. However, these road islands can also present challenges for some motorists, particularly during busy traffic periods. Their placement and width has narrowed the available driving space, creating less maneuverability and making turns or lane changes more difficult, especially for larger vehicles.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.